puro snow lang dito. Grabe. Manang puno ng snow. Kapagod ng biyahe namin. Gasoline station. Uusok ng bibig ko. Tangina, lapit. Angas boy. Pasok tayo sa ano nila 7-Eleven. Madulas. Meat market. Meat market. Hotdog, sandwich, kebab, burger. Ito mukhang ano yun, supot. Tea. Tea here. Fruit party and green dragon. Ito yung order niyo para sa akin. What is the name of this? Vidensky.
It's
parang supot na ano eh, no? Tea. Put my mouth. What? They only have two types of tea.
Also green.
Green. This is green, right? No.
Yes, green and fruit.
So they only have two.
Three.
What's the other one?
Black, green, and
Okay. What is this?
Vidensky.
Vidensky. Spicy.
It's have mustard.
Mustard. Dark chocolate cherry.
It's not convenient. It just
Overheat yung ano, machine.
for you.
What is this?
West part national dish bograch, like borscht but different style with beef. It's
Pakita ko sa inyo yung menu nito. Ayan.
it's like shawarma.
Walang kanin dito.
This
Burger,
shawarma, like donut,
shawarma,
kebab, lavash,
yes, sandwich,
lavash, that
kebab,
lavash. It's with chicken and it's with
chicken,
also order bograch.
bogrech, okay. They have croissant, donut. This regular chocolate. They also have it.
This.
Dagan my fair, meron kami nito sa bahay.
This.
What?
They call this.
What is jerky, chicken jerky. What is this? Made from what? Cabanossi. Cabanossi.
Cabanossi, it's name of company.
Ah, extra
dry.
sauce.
Extra dry. Sushi
Ah,
is
extra.
dry.
Mais.
Ayran.
Turkish.
Ayran.
What is this? Milk?
It's
Yogurt?
like kefir, but not kefir, like yogurt, but not yogurt, something special. This,
Cheddar cheese.
this soft cheese. That's
Like cream cheese.
Like
Beer. Wala akong makitang... Heineken. Meron nito sa bahay. Ano ba? Yung mga katulad sa Pinas. Heineken. This. Corona. Meron sa atin. Tayo sa drinks. Yan. Typical. Coca-Cola. Red Bull. Pepsi. Uy. May Pepsi pa dito. Ito aloe vera juice. Masarap to. Sa Japan lagi ako uminom nito eh. Pero hindi ganito yung brand. Ibang style. Iced tea, Lipton, meron din. 7-Up, Sprite. Mirinda, meron din. Parang sa atin wala nang Mirinda eh. No? Tubig nila. Siyempre walang Nature Spring. May Evian. Evian. Basta yung Kinder din sila, Nutella, mini croissant. Doritos, Pringles, Lay's, Raffaello. It's coconut, right?
yes.
Raffaello, gawas coconut. Ito, chocolate, may banana sa loob.
Ito orange.
Toffee. Toffife.
Look.
Toffife. Wow. Ukraine assorted chocolate. Candy. Where'd you get it? Tapos ito, chocolate with orange.
It's also famous.
What is this?
Also.
Hmm?
Also candy.
Stria?
Strela.
Strela? Like string.
Name of this.
Truffles. Candies. Capture. Ice cream. Milka. Ice cream wafer. Neck pillow. Safeguard meron din. Listerine. Gillette. Old Spice. WD-40 para sa motor. Sasakyan. May pang change oil din sila dito kasi syempre gasoline station to. Jack Daniels, Red Label, Black Label. Typical. Everywhere. Vodka. What's this?
Beverage.
Bogrets?
Most of the time it's pork.
Baboy to. Is it spicy?
A little. Dry. It's good.
Okay. Smell good.
Yes, it's good.
Amoy ano siya? Amoy kaldereta. Sa atin. Pero ito may sabaw. Where's the rice?
I will not eat it with rice.
Masarap to sa kanin kaso hindi uso yung kanin sa kanila dito.
Sarap.
Approve. What's that? Wrap?
Like shawarma.
Like like shawarma
With
raw.
lavash.
Chicken shawarma and beef shawarma. Pero tawag nila dito, lavash. Lavash?
This bread, pita, we call it lavash.
Okay. Try and open it. Ah, yes. Mukha nga siyang shawarma. Crispy. Wow. Regular shawarma is not crispy.
Because it's not shawarma. It's lavash with chicken.
It's spicy.
No.
What's inside?
Cheese, chicken.
And bread. Can I try?
Eat more because first part that just not so many meat inside. Try
You like it? It's good.
bite more. And I want that you try beef. Tell me that you like more.
What type of cheese is this?
Cheddar.
It's houses. Is it only in Kiev? Yellow ambulance, or in another city it's different color? Yung mga building nila halos magkakamuka. Walang ibang design. Ayun, parang meron doon kakaibang kulay. Parang may orange. McDonald's meron din. Yung mga building, oh, tingnan mo. Mga residential building yan eh. Kiwi,
Per kilo.
130 almost,
It's
Like-
150 pesos per kilo.
150 pesos only. Kiwi.
Also the same.
Persimmon. What's this, apple?
No, it's pomegranate.
Oh, wow, pomegranate is first time. Pomegranate guys.
Around
Ito kami sa
200
ano eh,
peso per kilo.
market malapit sa bus station.
Half mango.
Ah, it's like Japanese, right?
Similar.
Mm.
60 hryvnia per 55 hryvnia per piece.
Ah, per piece, not per kilo. Pepino,
200
kamatis,
per kilo. It's also expensive because it's not season.
bell pepper, pumpkin is kalabasa.
Baby per kilo.
Oh wow.
500 peso.
And this is
in-
cabbage, right?
Yes. 500 peso per kilo.
Mhm.
Now it's 30 hryvnia.
Pomelo, orange,
60.
lemon, banana. Come on.
Hryvnia per kilo.
So cheap.
Yes, I told you.
Mura lang sibuyas nila, oh. Nasa 15 pesos lang per kilo. Carrots, 12, nasa ano lang to, 18 pesos per kilo.
Apple, 35, 46 hryvnia per kilo. Per
Mansanas nila, ang liliit, ang cute to. Pineapple slice, nasa can. Salmon with olives.
kilo. Inside.
Wow.
They remove.
Pickles.
My favorite.
What's that?
Pickle tomato.
Ah,
It's my
kamatis
favorite.
pero naka-pickle siya. Angas ah.
This from zucchini. It's also good.
Beans. Green peas. What's this?
Oh, it's vinegar. Pomegranate vinegar.
Wow. Suka, nagawa sa pomegranate.
Oh, suka. Don't tell me
Olive
suka.
oil. What's this? Also vinegar, white?
Yes, it's white vinegar. You see, it's frozen.
Yes, I see.
It's good.
Tingnan yung olive oil nila, oh.
It's good.
Matigas. Kasi winter season kasi.
Sunflower.
Sunflower oil. Grabe, minus 7 degrees. Sa city niya, minus... How many degrees in your city right now?
-7. In my city, -10.
Minus 10? Wow.
Right.
Wawawi.
46 per kilo.
Rice? 55 pesos per kilo. Bigas. What is this sugar? Sukor? Nakabalandra lang yung asukal nila dito. Ang angas. Nakalabas lang. Noodles. Oat. Baby, what's this? Noodles? Pasta? Tobar? Neo?
Macaroni.
Pasta?
Macaroni.
This macaroni. That is macaroni, no?
It's all macaroni.
Wow. Macaroni daw tawag dito. What is that? Flour?
Yes, flour. This
Frozen vegetables. Oh, mga isda nila, oh. Mga frozen. Parang Russia talaga yung style, no? Napapanood ko to sa Russia, eh. Mga YouTuber. Wala masyadong tao. Wag lang tayo mga bomba dito. Sana hindi tayo mabomba. Panggasos. Ang cream dory. 180 or 18?
18 for 100 gram.
Ah, 100 grams. Okay.
You can see here.
What? Teriyaki sauce?
Oh,
I read it. Teriyaki.
not sauce.
Nut sauce. What's this block? Soy sauce? Oh. Why is it in cold section? Soy sauce. We don't put it in like chiller or something.
Depends on
Wow. Yung toyo nila nandito nasa chiller, oh. Yung toyo kasi natin sa Pinas pagkalagala lang kung saan saan, eh. Nakakapaglakad yung mga toyo natin, eh. Dito sa kanila naka-chiller, malupit. Pepsi. Ha. Sausage, hotdog. Ito, oh. Grabe, laki. Mahaba na ito, ah. There's no Filipino size. I see Filipino size here. Ito lang, Filipino size sausage. African size sausage. Horse. Salmon. Wow. 400 grams. Not so bad. You will eat it now? Maybe buy in Kharkiv. No? Oh, 5% baby. I don't have more choice. Bye bye. No more battery. Dried fish. Smoke. Wow. 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 Gomer. Salmon. Kita. Ang bango. Smoked. What's this? Salad? Ah. Not only salad. Ito na yung karinderya nila, guys. Ayan. No, I don't want to eat. Isda, may french fries. What's this? Blood sausage?
Blood, yes.
Blood sausage, guys, oh. Masarap daw ito.
Frog is blood. Krovyan.
May napanood ako nito kumakain ito, eh. Nasarapan siya. Pero hindi lahat nagugustuhan. Hindi lahat ng vlogger. Oh, isa.
Frog. They cook from it.
Fried rice?
No, it's like biryani but Turkish style.
Ah, flow.
Frog.
One whole chicken there. Is it fried? What's that?
Kievski torch.
What's that?
Kievski.
What is it?
Cake from Kiev.
Ah,
Original.
cake. Like a local cake from
Yes,
Kiev.
Yes.
You can't find it in any other city?
No.
Ah, nandito kasi kami ngayon sa capital ng Ukraine. Kiev yung pangalan ng capital nila. Meron lang to sa Kiev pero sa ibang city wala. Dobro ranko.
This is bigger size.
Mhm.
And this is not original.
Ah,
It's not original. It's from-
pistachio?
Yes, it's a famous chef.
Chef.
Like Master Chef, he was
Wow.
judged there.
Macadamia nuts, no? It's
It's
macadamia.
not macadamia, it's
Hazel?
Yes.
Hazelnut?
Also, funduk is hazelnut.
Ah, okay, that's good. Let's choose. I want to try this local, like original, really from.
Okay,
Kiev.
let's buy this. Russian, it's factory. You
Okay,
read it, Russian.
Russian.
It's
Okay.
before Zelensky president, Poroshenko factory.
Ah, he owns it. Hirap na hirap siya mag-decide. Are you sure already? 100%?
Because if it's 2 days left, it means it's already old. Smoke.
Smoked cheese?
Yes.
Wow, smoked cheese. Of course, no. Germany. Wow, Latinium. Latinium, Germany. Haha. Bread. Toast. Parang merengue to. What do you call this?
Zephyr.
Zephyr? It's hard.
It's not
Or-
hard, it's soft.
Ah,
Like, baby, it's similar with marshmallow, but it's
okay.
different. It's so delicious. It's better than marshmallow.
Look like merengue. We have something similar.
It's also so good.
Pudding?
It's not pudding, it's candy. Yes.
Ah, yes. I understand. Yung chocolates just outside. Mga tsokolate, oh. Candy. Ang gamis, meron din silang gamis, iba-ibang klaseng gamis para sa mga bata. Kape, of course. Tsaa,
We also have mango.
strawberry tea, mango tea, chamomile, mint, green tea,
So tomato over it.
forest fruit, candy,
Uh-huh.
ah,
It's like
caramel,
caramel.
ah, aha.
And it's hard outside, inside it's soft.
Aha. Sneakers, kahit saan, M&M's, syempre. Coke, Sprite, kahit saan din. Panlaba, oh, may Tide sila. Oh, Tide, ano pa ba? Tide lang nakikita kong kaparehas natin. Cashier. Mga kahoy-kahoy sila. Pag nawawala ng kuryente, yung ginagamit nila para hindi sila malamigan. Guys, nawalan kami ng kuryente dito. Kanina may ilaw lang, ngayon wala na naman. Nandilim. So we can pay because it's offline.
Yes. We will wait.
Hintayin namin bumalik yung kuryente.
Cash maybe is possible. But
Ay, ka-calculator.
nothing not working. If they have generator, it will work. If not, we'll just leave it here and left.
Ito yung mga negative side ng gera. Kaya red nose. Tuk tuk.
30 minutes.
Bumalik na yung kuryente guys. Generator siguro to. Ayan. Buti hindi kami maghihintay kasi paalis na yung bus ng ito yung pinamili namin. Tubig, tea, tinapay, cake. Kasi ito smoked cheese. Ito guys, isang building nila na bomba. Sira. Stop over.